Yeah, welcome back to Bad Official. Today I'm going to teach you how to control any computer or access any computer, any smartphone, any tablet by using remote desktop software for Windows. Also, you should install it in your smartphone and control your Windows laptop or your macOS device, or also you should put in your tablet. So here you see it is AnyDesk software I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you how to download it and install it and start controlling your device from anywhere. Imagine you go to any job, you are in the USA, and the person that want the help is located in Russia and want support from you. So you can use a remote desktop software like AnyDesk, as I'm going to show you right now. So before I start, click on like and subscribe and turn on notification bell for the more tech tutorials. Master tech the others can teach. So let's start. Open your browser. If you are using Android, you should do open your App Store, or you should open your Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, you should use App Store. Yes. Then type AnyDesk. Only AnyDesk. Yes. AnyDesk. AnyDesk. Yes. Then you will see these like this. Yes. And then download. You click here, and then you will see the remote access. Should direct click here on download. Then you will get the pop-up to save it, but also you should come back and click on here download for Windows, and then you will see the option to choose your OS operating system. It is a Windows, it is macOS, it is the Android, or it is iOS, Apple TV, Linux, FreeBSD, and many other operating systems, even also ChromeOS. Then you click on download. Yes. Then after click on download, you will save it, and after save it, depends on your network, and you will see yes, here you see the I've downloaded. So after download it, you navigate where it is saved. This is the one where it is saved. It's a file. Right click. Yes, this is one. Yes, this is AnyDesk. Right click. Then click on run as administrator. Wait. Then you enter the administrator password and wait until it load. You see no installation needed. Yes, it is opening, and you see here this is my address. Every device you install there, AnyDesk, you get the address of your device. That is the 10 numbers, and I'm going to use my device here. I'm going to use my phone. Also should use a PC, and your phone must be stored also in desk. And I'm going to enter my MAC address. Yes. So sorry. I'm going to provide the access on my phone. AnyDesk. Yes. Yeah. and I think it is enough. Yeah, yes. So here I'm going to enter in this area. I'm going to enter the 10 address of my device. Let me type on it 11 44 2 64 2. This is my other device address. Then press enter. When you press enter, you will see the please wait for the remote side to accept your session request. So here on my device, you see I'm going to accept. So here you see I'm controlling my device, my smartphone. I'm controlling it. Yes, I'm controlling it. Should access it from anywhere. These are permissions. Means that here should control my full devices. You see my smartphone. Here I should go in the messaging or no, go in. I can open ChatGPT. Many things I should do it on my phone. Even also on the computer, I should do it like this. So this is the how to. This is the how to control any device on the remote control. If it is a computer, you should do like this. So when your session has gone and you get the session closed, the session was closed by the remote user, means that the remote user removed me. Then when you see here the device, you try to log it in. This is that my device I tried to control, and if it is another device, also you should come in the address where I can put the session ID or the address bar and start to controlling my device. Wow. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment to share your idea. We then meet in the next video. So bye bye. God bless you.